We will not be doing affiliate marketing in today's method. You won't need any skills and you won't need any camera. In this video, I'll show you how to make money online using 6 different websites. You don't even need to use social media platform for this strategy. So stay tuned if you want to learn more about this strategy, and make sure you don't skip any parts of this video so you don't miss out on any important information. Welcome to Finance Hub, where we teach you tips and tricks to make money online. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we post a new video. And don't be shy to leave a comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions regarding the video. Now let's return to the video. We have 6 websites to go through today, so let's not waste any time. So the first 3 websites will get you paid, and the other 3 websites will do most of the work for you for free. The first website which I will be sharing today is logomyway.com. As the name suggests, this is a website where various companies from all over the world go into in order to get a logo design done for them. As it says here, get a logo design you love, guaranteed. Start a logo contest now and receive dozens of creative logo concepts within hours. So that's a quick rundown of what this website is about and how it operates. Companies from all over the world use this website in order to find a logo that is appropriate for them. And the site's designers actually provide them with dozens of logos to choose from, with the designer receiving payment if his or her design is chosen by the company. Okay, so some of you might be concerned because you lack design skills or something similar. You don't have to be concerned because I'll show you a website that can assist you with this. As a result, you won't require design skills to get paid in the first place. Anyway, it states here that you can choose from 70 to 600 custom logo designs created by creative logo designers from across the world. But that is nothing compared to the fact that the method we just read is available all over the world. Although there may be some exceptions, this site will still be certainly available in your country. If you go down to the bottom of the page, you'll find some logo designs that the designers have submitted. These logos are incredibly stunning. And not only do they appear professional, but they're also quite unique and colorful. However, I want you to skip over them and go through the bottom of the page, where you'll find this. Designers of logos make money. Because this is a small item, you must search carefully for it. I'd like you to click it, and you'll be taken to the next page right here. This is the sign-up form, and you'll need to fill in your basic demographic information. So in order to make a free account, you must fill out all of this information. Now, let's not waste too much time on the sign-up process, because I'm sure you already know what to do. So all you have to do is fill in the required information, and it'll be done in no time. So before moving on to the next site, I just want to point out that in the left-hand corner of your screen, it says contest prizes vary from $200 to $1,000. So even if you think you're up against a lot of competition, knowing that even one customer will choose your design, you can earn hundreds of dollars, even up to $1,000 is a significant amount of money. Now let's move on to the next website, 99designs.com. This is the name of the website. This is another designer website that will assist you in doing the majority of the work. What I like about this website is that it gives customers and designers a lot more alternatives. You will understand and see what I'm talking about if you click on category right here. This website offers more than just logo design. It also offers web and app design, business and advertising, clothing and merchandise, art and illustration, packaging and labels, and books and magazines. So in other words, there are a lot more alternatives for different types of designs here. All you have to do now is return to their homepage and scroll down to the very bottom of the page to get started. You'll find Become a Designer under Resources. I'd like you to click on it, and then all you have to do is finish the sign up process and you're good to go. Now I'd like you to go to the final website that will compensate us. It is called designcrowd.com. Personally, I think this is the greatest of the three websites. And what I mean about that is that Design Crowd has many more categories than those two websites put together. This means that this website provides you with a greater number of options to earn money. So if you hover your mouse over categories at the top, you'll get a list of categories on which you can design. These are just a few of the categories they give, and if you hover your mouse over designers and click on logo designers, you will see how much money these people make from this website, and it's a lot of money. We're literally talking about six figures, and it's not just about the money. In fact, these individuals come from various corners around the globe, which is very incredible. Take a look at this designer from Chile who has earned over $200,000, as well as this designer from the United States, India, and the Philippines, who all have earned $200,000. These top earners are from all across the world, which is fantastic news because it means you can do it too. You may actually try to do this as a second job wherever you are in the world. All you have to do to get started with this website is click on the register button in the top right hand corner of your screen, and once you're redirected here, enter your basic demographic information and make sure to click on I'm a designer, and that is it. These are the three websites that will pay you. Let's now move to the three websites that will do the work for you. I'd like you to visit logomaker.com. This website is ideal for those who want to develop logos. Of the three websites I'll show you, this is the most popular because Logomaker is absolutely free to use and you won't have to worry about investing any money because you won't have to. You can see that you may add text, shapes, and other editing choices on the left-hand side. There are over 1 million graphics in this collection. It will now show you some of them if you click on the search bar. And this website provides you with a large number of options so you can choose appropriate graphics for your logo no matter what your future clients ask. So, let's assume you're going to design a logo for a food company or something similar. Take a look at the results this website returns when I type food into the search box. There are hundreds, if not thousands, of results in this section, and this is only the food section. You can also look for other categories based on your client's requirements. If you've decided on a graphic or vector art, you can change it up as much as you want. You can alter the size, color, and add another logo to go with it, as well as text. Additional options will appear if you click on the three dots here. If you're happy with the way your logo looks, simply click Save and you're done. In general, Logomaker is a fantastic website to use for creating logos. You won't need any technical abilities to do this, and it's really a beginner-friendly website. Canva.com is the next website we've got here. Because many people use this website for office and classwork, you may already be familiar with it. If you hover your mouse over the templates, you'll notice that there are a number of different options to pick from. You can make a document, a YouTube thumbnail, an Instagram or Facebook post, posters, brochures, and infographics, along with many other things. All you have to do to get started with Canva is create an account, which you can do by going to the upper right-hand corner of your screen and clicking on Sign Up. You must first log in, after which you can immediately begin. PicMonkey.com is the last site I'll show you. This website, in my opinion, is the greatest of the three. But there is a catch. This website is not free, however, you do get a 7-day free trial. So, in that 7-day period, you may actually produce a large number of designs to sell to your clients and make a lot of money. And as soon as you start making money from this, you may start investing by acquiring a PicMonkey plan. Apart from photo editing, you don't have to be concerned because it will be well worth it. PicMonkey also includes a function similar to Canva where you can choose from a variety of templates. As a result, You may create a variety of distinct designs for different platforms and clients. So in any case, all you have to do is pick the best site for you and explore the sites I mentioned. And if you like one or two of them, I strongly advise you to use them right away. If you want to have many streams of income, you can use any of these websites and you don't need any design skills to do so. And that's it for today's video. If you like this type of content, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the notification bell to be notified when a new video pops up. And that is it for me, and I'll see you in the next video.